Hello friends, it's Sherry. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel, Turquoise Dreaming. I'm here today to work on the open collab that I host with Maria of Maria's Miscellany, and that is hashtag Scraps to Treasures. So we do this once a month on the 28th of each month, and we have had a prompt for each month. And so for July, our prompt is paper clips. Yeah. So yes, so I thought I would make an altered paper clip, and I have a fun little thing I thought would be fun. You are looking at all of these tags here. I don't know if you can see them from the tops, but let me tilt it a little. These are all tags, and there's a couple other little shapes in here too, but all of the tags here, this and all these little tags have been punched with one of my paper punches, or two of my paper punches, because there's two different sizes, from scraps. So I just made this little paper clip right here, and here's the paper clip. You can see it on the back, and here is the tag. So I took two tags from here, and I'll show you I've showed them to you before, but I have another couple little containers with tiny tags. And so they can move around like this. They're just held together with this lace. And here's a little tiny tag here. And so you do have writing space on the back if you wanted to write on the back of these. But it looks really cute in a journal. I am working on this bird journal, you know. And so if you were to put this on a page, it would look something like this. It slips on very nicely. Just slips right on there. You can put it right down. The tag fits right down to the top of the page here with the paper, or the paper clip does. And there's your tag, and you have, of course you can leave it up, sticking up if you wanted to, but if you wanted to put it right down on your page, have your little lace sticking up there, and there you go. Altered paper clip for your junk journal. It's not bulky, and it's easy to make. So let's make one. Let's see. So it's just if you can cut, you don't have to cut tags with a punch. You can just cut tags with scissors, or maybe you have a Cricut or something else that cuts tags, but I used paper punches, and this one I cut by hand right here with scissors. So yeah, just cut yourself some tags, whatever size you want, whatever, you know, color, anything like that. So this one I made to go with that bird journal, because I have some scrapbook paper, and this might be from that same scrapbook paper. I think it might be this one right here, because it just looks like some of the same colors I put in there. Let's look for maybe make a bluish one or a greenish one. Let's do a bluish one. So the back tag I used was just this shape here. That's the biggest one I have right here. I make, you know, on Tag Tuesday, if you've seen my Tag Tuesdays, you know I make all different kind of shapes and sizes of tags. So we're going to do this one. I'm going to go ahead and punch a hole in here. This one doesn't have a hole punched in it. And then I'm going to look for one that would go on top of this. Let's see if I have a blue one with some kind of pattern on it, because this one's plain. Here's the back side. It's cardstock. So there's that one. Let me look for a blue one here. There's a solid blue one over here. Here's some green ones. I'm gonna laugh because I see what I punched them out. I'm remembering the papers now as I look through these that I punched these out of. Let's see, what color is this? This looks like it's blue. No telling. It's cardstocky, and it's got the Disney castle on it, and Little Mermaid right there. So yeah, let's use that. That'll be the next one. And then I have let's see. So we need. Yeah, so we're going to need one more for the backing on this. So let's get like on this one, I put a plain file folder tag. So that's what these are here. Let's do this color. Let's see how thick this is. I thought it was a different color. Oh, this is coffee dyed file folder. Okay, let's do that on the back. And I'm just seeing what else I have here. I like to do the thick like cardstocks on the back too, because that covers up your paper clip. So we've got the two back pieces, this one, and now we need a tiny tag that could kind of match these two. And here's my tiniest tags in here. So let's look for something that goes with blue. Well, here's something right here. Let's see how this looks. That would be pretty, I think. That one, let me just make sure if there's another blue one in here that here's a smaller one. This one right here. Let's do the smaller one, maybe. Maybe. See how I left myself an out there? Maybe. Oh, here's another one. I like this one too. This one's lighter. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, I think I like that one because it's, you know, all different shades of blue there. So let's do that. Okay. Now, I did the same thing with my other one. That other one I showed you, the red one. I had a little bit of baker's twine in that one, and I pulled it off because I didn't want that on there for this particular tag. So let's go ahead and do our, first we're going to put on our paper clip. Let me move this over now that we have our pieces, and get my little glue pad here. And so I'm using these big paper clips here. Oops, sorry, I'm looking at my tag. Big paper clip. And I'm going to put this on, and I'm going to see the two loops on the bottom here, and you know there's no loop up here, just the top. Well, there's a loop, there's a top loop, and then there's these two loops on the bottom. So I'm going to put the little one on the inside like this, the shorter one I should say. I'm kind of putting these two pieces on either side of the hole right there because I don't want to block my hole. Okay, then I'm going to get some Fabri-Tac. I like Fabri-Tac on these altered paper clips. It really holds everything together nicely. I think I've never had a problem with it. I've always used Fabri-Tac on them since I started making them years ago. No problem. So I kind of get it all over. You know, you want the tags to stick together and in between here and everything. So that looks good. And on the edges too. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my lid on there, if you don't mind. I have this turned upside down over here in my pencil holder because it's kind of getting toward the end. So then we go ahead and I think I like this lighter blue. I think that's what we were working with. This one's a little bit darker. And so I'm going to put those together, line up my holes. Let's see, my holes aren't lining up exactly, but that is okay. I think I can still get my lace through there. So yeah, that'll be all right. Or I can punch a new hole, I see. Okay. Yeah, I wasn't sure if I could punch another hole there, but I guess I could. We'll see if we need that. And then, so then all I did was put my lace through after I have this. I already have a hole in it. I have this next one, and I already have a hole in it. So let me go ahead and punch that hole because if I can find where's my, hold on, I always have them, oh, they're right here beside me because I was just using them. So I'm going to go ahead and punch that little piece of file folder from this one. Well, I guess it's the blue one that's blocking. So let's see if I can punch that even with the paper clip on there. Oh, that is a little hard. Let's go from this way. See this, there's no metal, well there's metal on the inside but not on the outside, so let's see if we can get in there. Oh, it doesn't want to go. Okay, well we'll just work with it then. I had to try, right? It looked like it would work. So two tags, our lace, which I already cut a piece, that same lace. Okay, and then we'll put that in there. I'm going to do my regular little topper here and get that in the hole. Now you're putting it through like 4 layers of paper and cardstock here. So if you have trouble getting it through, I have my little pokey tool from Dollar Tree here. Just kind of, this is what I did on the other one too. I just kind of poked it through there. Don't get it caught on your lace. And then get it together, put it together here. And you could really make a bunch of these in no time at all if you wanted to mass make these. But yeah, isn't that cute? So now you have another, I have another paper clip with coordinated colors, and super cute, using up some of those scraps. And there I go. Another paper clip. I think these are super cute. I've made a lot of paper clips in the past. So these are the two I made today. And another good thing to use for making paper clips, just while we're making paper clips on the subject of paper clips, is that I use stickers. So you do the same thing, but on like this one, I just had 2 layers of the sticker. You have a piece of paper you can put in the back, piece of cardstock. This is happens to be index card here, and this happens to be a piece of cardstock here, or thick paper. And I just cut, this is a little 1-inch circle I cut to go on the back of this one, put my paper, smaller paper clip over it, and then put my sticker on top, one of those, pop-up stickers from Dollar Tree. And there you have a cute little paper clip. And this one is a little coffee cup paper clip. So just so many things you can do with your scraps, though, and paper clips too. I mean, the ideas are pretty much endless, but I wanted to do something with these layered tags. I just thought that would be so cute, and something I've never done before, to make a layered tag paper clip. Never did that before, so that was a lot of fun. So I hope you try it, and don't forget, everyone's welcome to participate. All the participants and all the information here will be in my description box. Don't forget to check out Maria's video. She always has something, awesome, and great ideas in her videos. So the way you participate is post your video on the 28th of the month, and then link our channel, subscribe to our channel, both of our channels, and we will, if you let us know, we'll link your channel too in our description box. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked that idea, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Happy crafting.